Okay,
NASA
hey,
corporations.
we see a light from over there because Mom's just...
Whoa, whoa.
Look!
Oh! Woo!
Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that?
That's flares.
Those are not flares.
Yeah, they were.
Did you?
It looked like she was shooting a shotgun.
Yeah. Did you guys see that?
What?
Nothing. She's just right over there.
You guys will
And
not see
bye.
any people in the making of this video.
Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see that?
Oh. Got a little thing. Whoa.
Whoa.
It's a rainbow.
What?
Uh-oh.
Shoot up. Let them shoot up.
Mom. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. What? Oh. Oh.
Ah, that's cool.
Do you guys see that?
Whatever. I thought it was a miss.
Yeah.
There's smoke everywhere.
Also, now those two ones are supposed to do that?
Now that smells bad, guys.
Yeah, that smells
If
cool.
you can't smell it, it smells pretty bad.
Yeah, it smells bad.
And there's a flashing light over there anyway. I don't know what it is and
NASA
where.
corporations.
Okay.
Oh, that
She's
one.
just letting another one now. I'm
Oh, she
guessing.
is. Look at this.
Oh, it's the big one's gonna shoot. The big one shoot.
Do you guys see that?
See? It's gonna shoot.
Whoa! Oh! Oh! Where'd you go? Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh!
What is that, guys? Is that cool, guys? I'm just laying down.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, awesome.
Is there any more?
Oh,
No.
Mom, let's throw one up. Let's throw one up.
Yeah, the fans want to see it.
Oh, can I do it like you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, now hold it and watch.
Can I do it? Why not? Oh, what? Like a little match. Whoa!
Look. Do you
Gotta
see the
blow.
rainbow?
It's gonna blow.
What was it?
She was to do
Uh,
it.
Why can't I throw one?
That was all of it? Seriously?
No,
That was a tiny bit.
There's a big one. It's the biggest one.
Oh.
She's about to shoot the biggest one of all, I think.
If you guys can't see this, it's big.
Well, we're actually recording at like pitch black.
I know, right?
It's not cool.
Mm-hmm.
Technically.
Ugh. People are spying on us.
Oh, there's not. Oh, yeah, there's totally people on that roof. Whoa.
Whoa.
No joke. Oh,
Do you guys see that?
no joke, by the way. There's someone on the roof flying around.
Yeah, they're just right over here. Right
Emily,
there.
I'm sponsored. Don't do it.
And they are just spying on us right now.
No, they're looking at the fireworks.
Probably not.
Oh, yeah.
Then why are they looking at Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I don't know how...
Dum-dum, that's where the fireworks are.
Oh. Yeah, I'm a dum-dum. There's a light.
Oh, he's doing the sparkle.
Woo!
What did that do, right? Oh, wow, just feel one on the
Woo!
ground.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Shut up.
Shut up!
Luke,
Shut up.
they're turning into embers.
What?
Safa's in the hair.
What did you say, Alex?
Why can't we throw one?
What did you say?
I can't.
I
Before.
can.
And you should.
Before.
Why not? So?
He's kind of like a teenager.
Alex? What did you say that? What did you say before?
What?
It's kind of like Ember. Like
Oh, it's
City.
turning to embers.
Yeah, we were watching the City of Ember. We were just reading the book. Okay, this is better. The fans love this.
No, we love this.
Yeah, so do we. So do this fan.
No,
There's no fan around, Emily.
I meant fans.
no, they're not watching it right now.
Shut up.
They can't watch it right now.
When I put it on YouTube,
Transfer it to YouTube.
I don't know how to do that.
I did.
Can you teach me?
Looks like your channel does not exist.
Can you help me do that?
No.
Please? Please?
Oh, that is his.
That's mine. Because you don't have an email for Facebook. I'm going to set you up with my email.
Okay.
He's not doing that.
Woo!
Oh,
It
no.
looks like a bazooka.
It looks like a lava shooting it.
Mom, there's an ember coming down. Woo! Bop.
I still see the smoke that's just right over there.
And there's the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy.